Here are the quick steps to cancel NordVPN after World Cup 2026. 1. Log in to your Nord account at nordvpn.com. Billing. Click Cancel next to Auto Renewal to stop future charges. 2. If you want a refund eligible, within 30 days of first purchase, contact NordVPN support via the live chat on their site and request a refund. Follow the refund link or support instructions they send. Refunds are usually processed quickly but may take up to 10 business days to reach you depending on payment method. 3. If you bought via Apple or Google or Amazon or a third party, cancel and request refund through that store, App Store or Google Play or Amazon or retailer Nord's support can't refund purchases made through those platforms. 4. If you used PayPal, cancel auto renewal in your PayPal account. Settings, payments, manage automatic payments and then request a refund from NordVPN support if eligible. 5. Optional cleanup. Uninstall NordVPN apps on your devices and revoke any saved payment methods in your Nord account if you want account removal.